Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I have 4 locomotives and 2 train cars. So first up is the Santa Fe Alco PA. I think I did a pretty good job with this. It's the same length as the Union Pacific, I think E8. It's got it's got the door. Runs smooth, runs curves and switches as expected. On to the next one. The next one is this. I forgot which railroad it is, but it's a 042. It's numbered 6. I guess it's a pretty simple plane, runs curves and switches. On to the next one. The next one we have is a tiny 440 with marker lights, and it's number 20. So here in the tender, looks like this. Then the locomotive. Simple, I guess. Then we have a Denver and Salt Lake caboose. It looks like this on both sides. And then the next train car, I believe, is a Southern Pacific dining car. Looks like this. Kind of different on the other side. And then the last locomotive is Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy. I believe 5632. Someone can correct me if I'm wrong, but it's a gold locomotive. And here on the tender, we've got, I guess, coal, the little ladder, all this down here, and then the back, and the locomotive, cab, firebox, pistons and whatnot, and then the front. And does run curves and switches. Here's what it looks like underneath. And I'm going to use this one as the basis for my future locomotives. And it is basically the same on the other side. But all of these, except for likely the diesel, will be rebuilt. Not exactly sure what the next video will be, but I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.